perfect beef pumpkin soup just in time for the cold weather. If you want to see how, just keep on watching. Welcome back to the channel. As you see from the title, we're preparing some beef and chicken foot pumpkin soup. In the other container, we have some ground food already prepped. We have chocho, we have pumpkin, we have Irish potato, cocoa, and carrot. We have our dumpling dough maker already. We have our noodle. We have yam, not yellow yam, but yam. We have our scallion and thyme. And those are the key ingredients for our soup. Any additional, I'll link them in the description box below. So I'm going to give you guys a run through of the season I use for my season for the meat. I use just complete season, all-purpose season, and a bit of salt. And I also cut some fresh garlic. And we're going to add this to our pot when the water comes to a boil. So continue watching, guys, and I'll catch you further on in the video. Our meat is partially cooked. Now we're going to add the base for our soup. And the base is just some pumpkin and Irish potato cut in smaller bits so they can cook. While cooking, giving the soup some body and color. So here we're back after a couple of minutes. Now we're going to add the rest of ingredients.
As you fade away, as you fade away,
yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. As you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. As you fade away. what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Now that we add our final touches to the soup, we're just going to cover our pot and allow this to boil and thicken for a couple of minutes. Then it's time to serve. So catch you at the end of the video, guys. And if you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed as yet, please do so at this moment. And to my returning supporters, I appreciate you guys a lot. And for those of you coming for the first time, welcome. Please make it official. Tap the subscribe button. Put a notification bell so you won't miss another upload. And here is the finished product, guys. Yes, you guys know already I love my soup. And this is the spot. So if you enjoy this one, guys, please just like the video, drop me a comment below, share with your friends and family, and keep the support going. And I appreciate you guys so much. Thanks for sticking with me throughout the year, and I'll catch you in another upload. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.